Ms. Nundy, appreciate you joining us. I believe now you would be approaching the Supreme Court.
Yes. I appear for two petitioners, the lead petitioner, the RIT Foundation, as well as the All India Democratic Women's Association, which has a 10 million registered membership. It has registered membership of 10 million women. Yes, we will be approaching the Supreme Court. We welcome and laud Justice Choudhary's judgment and believe that this robust judgment will serve us in good stead. The judgment just came out. And it has been said very clearly that there is an intelligible differential between, or rather, there is no intelligible differential, I beg your pardon, between married women and unmarried women and separated women who are raped. That Article 15 does not brook the kind of discrimination that is occurring against married women. That when you come with a right to say no, it also makes it possible for you to say a joyful yes to your husband in the context of marriage, neither of which exists right now. And so women are reduced to legal subjects, to sexual objects in the context of marriage, which is why men's associations are supporting us and have also intervened in the High Court to say that we want the women that we are with to be able to say a free and joyful yes to us. We stand with our wives, we want equality in marriage. And let me be clear, this is a case about people against misogyny and citizens against patriarchy. This is a case where the people are asking the courts to get our government to enable these rights. And if not for the courts to enable these rights, this is not a case against the interveners. This is not a case against these men's rights associations. Yes, they must be heard, but it's not a case against them.
You know, I'm going to quickly introduce our other guests, but I want to just stick to, because you're one of the key petitioners, and I'm going to come back, to them. Urging your patience, Brinda Adige and Mihira Sood. I'm going to come right back to you, but I want to cut across to Ms. Nundy first. Ms. Nundy, I want to, you're going to the Supreme Court, and we were just, I was sifting through a lot of paperwork today where the Supreme Court has spoken, where marital rape is concerned. One might say the executive has led women down, but so has the judiciary. Of late, the instance of a former Chief Justice of India twice condoning marital rape, actually, saying that, and we're going to put out those graphics there, what the Supreme Court in terms of the judiciary has said about marital rape, really not coming in and getting the back of women at all.
Our rights are currently before the judiciary, and it would not be appropriate for me to speak on this.
All right, I get that. I get that, and you're approaching the Supreme Court from here on. But would you take us through the entire expanse of the legal battle where India is concerned and the stand on marital rape?
Well, this case began in 2015, and we argued the whole case once before a bench of the then acting Chief Justice Geeta Mittal. At that stage, the government had filed an affidavit saying many things, but including the fact that the institution of marriage cannot be impacted. And of course, to that our response is that surely rape desacralizes marriage, and it cannot be a part of the institution of marriage. Secondly, they said that India is a country of poor and illiterate women, and hence marital rape should not be decriminalized. I think to which the answer should really be that if you are poor and illiterate, I mean, surely part of that responsibility is that of the government, one. But secondly, and far more importantly, does that mean you have to put up with rape in any context? The government has an opportunity here. The government then subsequently, the SG, the Solicitor General, did say before the court that they were not taking a stand, that they were not for the they wanted to keep the exception on the book. He said that they were not taking a stand either way. So it appears that the government has taken some steps back. But one would urge the government to see the rights that are at stake. That married women are being sexually assaulted as we speak. That, that thousands of women are being sexually assaulted as we speak and raped. And the exception to Section 375 says that married rapists have a conjugal right to penile vaginal rape and also anal rape and gang rape. There are cases that have emerged that we placed before the court. And this is an opportunity for the government to either pass legislation and get rid of this blot on the Constitution and on our democracy, on our constitutional democracy, or to appeal the dissenting judgment and to take it to the Supreme Court.